Okay. Um, Good morning, everyone. My name is Gianfranco. I am PhD student at University of Tuscia. Today, I am excited to present a study conducted in collaboration with Professor Antonella Petrillo, Professor Fabio De Felice, and Professor Ilaria Baffo. Our research focuses on an important question: how can we provide a practical tool to help decision makers select and prioritize public projects while ensuring these projects align with sustainability goals? To make smart decisions, especially when resources are limited, we need to balance environmental, economic, and social objectives. To address this challenge, we developed a decision-making model called SESIM, Sustainable Economic, Environmental, and Social Investment Model. This model is implemented in a Python-based software tool and uses the analytical hierarchy process, AHP method. The main goal of our study are to create the SISIM model for evaluating sustainable projects, to build a Python software to make the model practical and easy to use, to adapt the model to different regional and economic contexts, to validate the model with a case study. The SESIM model is an innovative approach designed to support the evaluation and optimization of public investment with a focus on sustainability. This model addresses a key challenge: how to make effective decisions when balancing economic, environmental, and social objectives. Often, public investment choice rely on limited criteria, overlooking need for a comprehensive and structured analysis. SESIM uses the HP method to structure the decision-making process, allows to organize the decision problem into a hierarchy of goals, criteria, and sub-criteria, assign weight to different priority, perverse comparisons, evaluate and rank projects based on their overall contribution to sustainability. The main goal of SESIM is to optimize public investment for sustainability. The model is structured in a hierarchy. At the top, the main goal, sustainable investment. Then 5 key criteria: efficiency, economic impact, social benefit, sustainability, innovation, and technology. Each criterion has a sub-criteria to evaluate the project in more details. We implemented SESIM in Python using the HPILP library. Technical implementation consists in automating judgment matrices and weight calculation. The software automates matrix creation for expert judgments, weight calculation for criteria, and consistency check for consistency ratio. The results are exported to Excel files, making it easy to update or modify the data. The software we developed offers several key features designed to streamline the decision-making process and improve its accuracy. First, it automatically creates the comparison matrix and calculates the criterion priority, which simplifies the evaluation of public projects. Additionally, the software includes a consistency ratio check to ensure the reliability of judgments made during the evaluation process. Another important feature is the ability to generate an Excel file for both input data and results. This makes it easier to manage and update the information, ensuring that user can easily modify their data when needed. As for advantages, the software significantly reduces manual errors, ensuring that the results are more reliable and consistent. It is also provide an easy way to update the data, which is crucial for keeping the evaluation process flexible and adaptable to new information for changing circumstances. While Seesim has a significant potential, it has some limitation. The model has not yet been tested with large-scale real-world data. It depends on expert judgment, which may introduce subjectivity. In the future, we aim to validate the model with real projects, add advanced features like interactive dashboards and machine learning for predictive analysis. In conclusion, our work provides a transparent and practical tool to support sustainable public investment decisions. It helps to balance economic, social, and environmental objectives. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer them.
Bravo, Dr. Iman, and thank you for guiding us through such a detailed and thought-provoking presentation on applying multi-criteria decision models for sustainable investment. All right, decision maker, the floor is open now for questions. If you have any questions, please go ahead. Any questions? I think there is no question. Just out of curiosity.
Okay, no, I could have a question.
Yes,
Hello?
please.
Okay. Good. But I don't see if I have the phone yet, the microphone. Okay. Hello, Giancarlo, how are you doing?
Hi, Professor.
Okay. I was wondering what type of experts did you have? How did you reach them? And how was the feedback with the experts, the people that answer the questionnaires?
Yes, the expert can make the judgments with for the just a minute.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
A judgment of experts is necessary in a HP model standard.
No, but I am asking you, Giancarlo, how did you approach the experts? Did you ask people to fill the questionnaires, AHP questionnaires?
Yes, the expert.
Yeah.
In the Python, there is a function can then export a file in Excel. This file for input was sent at the expert, and expert compiled the file and resend for the upload in Python file. There is an input file in Excel, an a result file for result.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you too.